So my question is, do you know, after everything studied, do you know others like me? I've been researching since I was 17 and I don't know anyone else like me who had an experience from the canonization of a priest, because the priest told me it was a mystical experience and the Vatican had evidence of it and such, but I don't know anyone else. And if you know more, why? The reason why?
I agree that you had a near-death experience. I have explained the experience to them. Bruce Grayson researched this extensively. A psychiatrist from the University of Virginia in the US, one of the most knowledgeable about NDEs, studied it for many years, a long time ago. I've shared a very typical case, very characteristic with all the elements, but there are ways to initiate the NDE. The evolution, the number of factors, not all are alike. That is to say, they all have very typical characteristics, which are logical, that one transcends, is conscious, feels a sense of well-being, lights, etc. It's more or less visible, but they can be partial or local, and the triggers can vary. That is, the ones we study most and are most common in hospitals and among doctors are those triggered by clinical death situations, as they are the patients we handle. But there are people who in normal situations can perfectly transcend to the other astral dimension. That is, I don't have any cases due to a special mystical situation you experienced with a priest. I have no such cases. However, there are countless people who possess this ability. Why do they have it? Because they are people who are already highly spiritually evolved. That is, they have had an easily maintained contact with their true identity. They are already very evolved individuals. They are very close to their identity and easily connect with their supraconsciousness. They do not need any physical death or special situations. There are people who naturally have astral travels. Some leave their bodies and take an astral journey.
That's true, I do it, and I also make what I call quantum jumps. That is, I move to different places and so forth. I do this while awake. I can do it even while walking.
In essence, tell you this with heartfelt sincerity, you are very fortunate, I assure you.
Well, not entirely, because, never?
Don't ever fear this. Nothing
No,
can
no.
happen to you whatsoever.
No,
Quite
on the
opposite.
contrary, no fear at all.
These are experiences you will have, and nothing can happen to you.